Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2013 Acura MDX Tech SH all-wheel drive. This vehicle has 300 horsepower with a 3.7 liter V6 and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This generation of MDX has pretty heavy steering, which is nice. You have a backup camera in this car. And you also have navigation. And you have to control the screen using this little center dial. You have heated seats. Pretty spacious in here. And you have this like this faux wood trim. It's like a plastic looking trim, but it's like colored like wood. I believe this is either dark cherry pearl or bask red pearl, but this is the facelifted version of the second gen MDX with the grill being a little bit revised. The shield grill. This is like the second iteration of the shield grill that Acura had. And here are the rear seats. Super handling all-wheel drive badge on the back, dual outlet exhausts. And here's the space in the trunk with the third row up. You also have some extra cargo space in there, which is nice. That's in all the MDXs actually. I like the taillights, they look pretty good. Pretty good acceleration, nice sounding V6, and you do have paddle shifters too. I like the way the gauges look. They actually look pretty sporty. Reminds me of the gauges in my TL Type S. Which I used to own. Yeah, I like the way the the second gen MDX drives. This one has 159,000 miles. Drives pretty well. And it looks pretty decent for that mileage. Obviously has some common wear and tear in a car you would expect with these kind of miles, and it's 11 years old now, but overall it's pretty good. Nice. That is quite nice. You know, I can never get tired of the sound of a naturally aspirated Honda or Acura V6. It's really good. actually quite smooth. I like that. And so you can see your tire pressure, the all-wheel drive system, like the distribution, torque distribution. Yeah, this thing accelerates very seamlessly. It's nice to drive, and the seats, what I like about the seats in the second gen MDX, they're really comfortable. Like, they feel very plush, which is good. Visibility is good too. It's a pretty big SUV. It's definitely bigger than the first gen. The first gen MDX was 3 rows, obviously, but it wasn't as big as this one is, space-wise and all that. And the first gen MDX is a very similar interior to the third gen Acura TL. The screen and the gear shifter and all that stuff. Yeah, the first gen MDX was a great car for Acura. It was one of the first 3-row luxury SUVs, and that car was really good. Acura was doing that was a great time for Acura when the third gen TL came out, MDX, all that stuff. Acura was killing it. That was the best-selling luxury sedan in the US, for good reason. The third gen TL was fantastic. I really liked my TL Type S when I had it. It was my first car, and I miss it sometimes. They still look timeless. So the daytime running lights are those little lights on the bottom of the bumper, it looks like, on this car. You do have a little sport mode, which you can put the gear shifter back into. And then if you press this, you can change the views on your backup camera. But overall, nice 2013 Acura MDX Tech SH all-wheel drive. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for brand new and used MDX models for many model years.